Goodbye to the fallen belly in 10 days thanks to this. Would you like to know how to eliminate that flaccid and hanging skin that was left after you finally managed to lose weight? Today I want to show you the best and latest natural remedy to lose weight and eliminate that skin that is chinendo in your body, especially in the abdomen and waist. Many times after a pregnancy or when you have lost several pounds the abdominal area begins to look decayed, hanging and flaccid. A lifestyle full of bad habits also contributes to having a sagging belly. That's why today we want to show you a powerful natural remedy to eliminate abdominal sagging in just 10 days by drinking this powerful shake. This powerful remedy will help you tone the muscles around the abdomen, improving the quality of the skin and contributing to a deep tissue regeneration. Aside from being an aesthetic issue, it is also very important that we take care of the accumulation of fat in our abdomen to take care of our health. Natural remedy to eliminate abdominal flaccidity in 10 days. Ingredients: 1. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2. 1 tablespoon of stevia. 3. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 4. 1 tablespoon ginger powder. 5. 5 tablespoons lemon juice. 6. 1 liter of water. Preparation and use: bring the water to the boiling point and remove from the heat, leaving it to stand for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine all other ingredients. Now add the water in the bowl with the other ingredients and mix everything very well. You should drink this preparation throughout the day, for 10 days in a row. I ask